Namaste and welcome. I'm Rajesh Kanwar, a certified Iyengar Yoga teacher. I'm truly happy you are here. Many of you have asked, what is Iyengar Yoga and how is it different from other styles of yoga? In this video, I will introduce you to the unique world of Iyengar Yoga, what it is, why it stands out, and how it is transform your body and mind. And to help you to experience it for yourself, I'm also launching a 10-day Iyengar Yoga practice series. But before we begin that journey, let me first introduce you to what makes Iyengar Yoga so special. What is Iyengar Yoga? Iyengar Yoga is a system of classical yoga developed by Yogacharya B.K.S. Iyengar, one of the most respected yoga masters of our time. It's known for its precision, alignment, structured instructions, and thoughtful sequencing. Each pose is practiced with deep awareness of the body, the breath, and the mind. One of the most unique aspects is the use of props like blocks, beds, bolsters, and chairs, making postures accessible and safe for everyone, regardless of age, experience, or flexibility. What makes Iyengar Yoga different? Unlike flow-based styles of yoga, Iyengar Yoga is not about moving quickly or breaking a sweat. Instead, we hold poses longer to build strength, stability, and awareness. There is a strong focus on alignment and technique, which allows for deep transformation physically, mentally, and emotionally. It is also therapeutic, offering support to those recovering from injuries, dealing with chronic issues, and seeking balance in life. Who can practice Iyengar Yoga? Iyengar Yoga is for everyone. Anyone can practice Iyengar Yoga. You don't need to be flexible, fit, or experienced. Whether you are young or old, healthy or healing, you will find a way to practice safely with the right guidance. About this 10-day series, to help you experience the benefits of Iyengar Yoga firsthand, I am launching this 10-day practice series. Each session will be around 35 to 40 minutes, focusing on different aspects or different classes of asanas like standing poses, forward bends, back bends, twists, inversions, and restorative work. Props will be used to make everything accessible, and I will offer clear instructions. So bring your mat and curiosity and let's begin this beautiful journey together. If this sounds like something your body and mind need, hit subscribe and join me for the next 10 days. Let's explore Iyengar Yoga, not just as exercise, but as a path of self-understanding and wellness. Namaste. See you tomorrow.